A judgment is a concise statement of the case, the points for determination, the decision thereon, and the reasons for such decision. It signifies the culmination of judicial proceedings before a court of competent jurisdiction. A judicial officer is known by the quality and standard of his judgment. A judgment is a barometer to gauge the integrity, competence, legal equipment, command over language, and comprehension of a judicial officer. Judgment has been defined in Section 2, subsection 2 of CPC to mean the statement given by the judge of the grounds of decree or order. According to the scheme of Section 33 CPC, hearing of parties or their counsel is sine qua non before pronouncement of judgment. Order 20 CPC deals with judgment. According to it, on completion of evidence, a date for final arguments shall be fixed which shall not exceed 15 days, and the period between arguments and judgments shall not be more than 30 days. In civil matters, court is required to give finding on each issue. Judgment has to be pronounced and signed in open court. It cannot be altered or modified except under Section 152 to rectify clerical errors or on review. Appellate judgments are to be delivered in almost similar manner except that finding on each issue is not required to be recorded. Every judgment in civil matters shall specify as to who will bear the costs. Normally, costs follow the events, but in peculiar circumstances of case, this rule can be dispensed with. Similarly, where claim or defense of a party is false and vexatious to the knowledge of the party, special costs under Section 35A CPC can be awarded, the maximum limit of which is rupees 25,000. Provisions of Section 366 CRPC and Rule 2, Volume 1, Chapter 11A of the High Court Rules and Order, which too deal with judgment, are almost parameter with these provisions. Special care should be taken in delivering judgments in certain category of cases. In suits for specific performance of contract, a direction has to be given to the plaintiff to deposit remaining sale consideration by an appointed date, failing which suit shall stand dismissed with costs. Similar direction with identical consequences has to be given in suits for possession through pre-exemption.